The North Carolina Cooperative Extension Wake County Center aligns local programs, resources, and efforts with needs and priorities identified by Wake County youth and adults, local advisory councils, Wake County leaders, and the Board of Commissioners. Joining us today to talk about the Wake County Cooperative Extension is its Director, Katherine Williams. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Eric.
You were selected into this position earlier this year, and while you're new in this role, you're not new to Wake County.
That's right. Not new to Wake County or to Cooperative Extension. I actually served as the 4-H Youth Development Agent in Wake County for about 20 years, right here in this community. And I also, in the last 5 years, was tapped by our Human Services Director to help lead the Human Capital Campaign.
Now, when I hear about cooperative extension, there are a lot of positive responses, but there's so many diverse programs, services that the extension offers. Can you share a little bit about what cooperative extension is to those viewers that aren't familiar with your office and what they do?
Sure. So Cooperative Extension, Eric, represents a partnership between local government, state and federal level funding. The federal funding is through the U.S. Department of Agriculture, and our state funding comes through our land grant universities. So in North Carolina, that of course is North Carolina State University and also A&T State University in Greensboro. And the extension program was developed to provide research-based information that has an impact on issues that are relevant and important to all North Carolinians, and in this case, to all of our citizens in Wake County.
And mentioning that, what are some of those specific programs that work well in Wake County?
Cooperative Extension has 4 major program areas, and that includes agriculture, natural resources, 4-H youth development programs, family and consumer sciences, and also community resource development. And what we do in Wake County is we look at the resources and the expertise that's available to us through the UNC system and really try to align that with priorities locally. So in Wake County, that really translates into 4 things where we're focused. So in ag and natural resources, for instance, we continue to support sustainable farming efforts, which are still really important to our economy and to our way of life in Wake County. We really support water quality issues and dealing with stormwater runoff, which is one of our biggest issues in this community. We also have a really strong consumer horticulture program that is very popular in our community. I would say another big program area for us is human capital development, and that's where we coordinate our positive youth development programs, family development efforts, where we really focus on supporting families, and then also a lot of work we've been doing with financial literacy. In addition to that, we have a strong focus now aligned with the county's Healthiest Capital County campaign. We do a lot with health and wellness issues. We try to link farmers with vendors who want to provide increased access for healthier food. So whether it's a restaurant or really promoting our local farmers markets, we have projects to bring local foods to child care centers and work to train farmers so they're certified and can provide safe food even to our school system.
Well, Katherine, before we close, how can viewers find out more information about cooperative extension in Wake County and some of the services that may be able to help them or someone they know?
I would say, first of all, please call our office if you'd like to get information. We have a reception area that's manned between 8:30 and 5:15 daily, and that number is 919-250-1220. 888-1100. And then also, you know, the Wake County website, wakegov.com. You'll find a link on there to our local Cooperative Extension office.
Okay, Katherine Williams, Director of the Wake County Cooperative Extension Office, thanks for being here.
All right, thank you.